Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Am I audible to you? Just let me know. Hi sir, hi everyone, hi everyone. Is the screen visible for you guys? Vaishnav sir, hello. Rohit Reddy sir, Evan Kumar, Deepak Varshan sir, Nazib Ali sir, Saitek. Yeah, yeah, everyone, welcome to the live stream. Now here on this chart of BTC, there are certain important things I have noticed. The first important thing is this trend line that you see here. What you can notice is this trend line is acting as continuous resistance level in the market. Market is very close to this resistance zone, right? So here recent time it has given a breakout, it has come out of this zone. Expectation is not from this zone market will correct. Since this resistance level is tested, in case market corrects here, then it has potential of continuation of upside move close to 1,07,050 or 60 range. So up to that zone market can move. Before looking for any bullish trade, expectation is little correction towards the downside if happens in the market. Later if you are getting the upside move, it will be more beneficial, better price entry we will get for the trade. With that logic itself, I'm looking at the market right now. But what if market directly moves up, right? Shows continuation. Let's say it corrects here, moves towards the upside. So here only in the bullish side, if we get opportunity, we will capture. But directly if it goes, we will miss out on the opportunity. That is one concern I have right now. Anyways, little closer watch I will have about the market. Hopefully you have understood what are the important zones. One is this trend line. Next is this resistance area from where previously market gave a pullback, a pullback here and then correction. So next this area is acting as resistance. Before that, if these sellers re-enter the market, little pressure if they put, market can correct a bit. Later it can move towards the upside. So with that view, I'm looking at the market. Now what is your view in the comment section? Please let me know. What do you think? What is the potential of market moving towards the upside or downside? Which side you are more inclined to? Now this current zone what market is holding also, I was looking for any bullish trade, maybe up to this zone also. If we get the movement we can try to capture, but by the time I come live and all those things, this is, movement has started. So somewhere if I think market is going to correct from here, if I just enter a bullish trade right now, little problem I might get into. Shubha ma'am is saying downside. Chandrakant sir is saying hello. Hello sir. Maharajan sir is saying how to identify buying pressure zone, selling pressure zone. Okay, we will discuss about that. Please teach Tamil followers from beginning, sir. Okay. We'll do all that. Mainly first we will see market has formed a cup. If it had formed a handle at the lower level, we would have looked for any breakout setup, but directly it has moved towards the upside. It is holding on to this range. From the upper zone, any correction if it comes also, I'm not thinking about big correction in the market on the bearish side. More focus is there on the buying side itself. but little bearish trade if I'm getting also reasonable stop loss, any small trades where I can capture the moment. Based on that, if I get any setup, maybe I can focus. Now, these are some of the important levels. We'll just see recently where these sellers also they have pushed the market up to. Recently these sellers have already pushed the market up to 618 level. Again they're holding on to the range and pushing it towards the upside. That is happening in the market right now. Previously you can see this was a range where market was just holding, right? If we plan for any trade within this range, little difficulty we will face. Sometimes taking early entry also has become a problem. Now, how many of you from this zone did you plan for any bullish trade? Because in the crypto community group, after our trading setup, I was looking at our trading setup later, somewhere around 11:35. I had said this is the buying pressure zone, this is the first zone, right? And this is the second zone. So two entries. Mostly, if this zone fails, maybe at this zone we can try. That is the same thing which we tried yesterday also, correct? Yesterday, where did we discuss about it? Yesterday, I think after the live stream, I said this is the buying pressure zone. Little here near the upside, if this buying zone fails, finally this is the zone where we took the trade. And you all could see how much movement the market did, right? Close to 2300, more than this only it went. 2000 up to 2800 market had given. Yeah. So it depends on how confidently near the buying zone you show some interest for looking for opportunity. Today also from this buying zone itself, not necessary all the moment people would have captured, but this moment also is 3900 points. From the time I gave this update, I think at least from here only, if you consider, or let's say you considered here, looking at the breakout or something you entered also, at least 2600 points, something like that. So depends on how you made use of those updates. To get regular updates related to all of these things, you can open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the pinned comment. You can check it out. You'll get access to that. Also, you get access to our strategy. Everything is absolutely free of cost here. Okay. So you can check that out, traders. Now here you can see the trend line. Market is continuously respecting this trend line. So what I'm saying is, okay, from this zone, we know market has been holding on to this range in the past also. Sometime back I shared with you. So from this zone, let's say it's correcting, moved up to this zone. Here any reversal setup will I get? Those kind of things I might little bit consider on the bullish side. Okay. What is the brokerage in Delta Exchange? What you do, sir, I've shared one video. Okay. Crypto basics. That video, it's there in our YouTube channel. If you go and search uh, crypto any trading blog, maybe Delta Exchange, you will find that video. So what you can do, you can go and watch that video around 30-40 minutes. Everything related to brokerage, whatever it is, how much charges is going to be, everything I've explained. If market breaks the support or resistance, how can we differentiate the breakout or original or fake breakout? We can do that by looking at these levels itself where the market has corrected. Now you see this market, the zone, it has come up to here, right? I feel okay, whoever has entered in this zone or anyone who entered at this breakout during this reverse, during this upside move, there was no any pullback to remove them. So he would have held on to the trade. Now to create fear, maybe market would have come. But this might not be to create fear for people who entered here. It might be for people who entered at this breakout, this breakout, this breakout. So during this time, I was saying, right, correction, if it happens, it might come up to this zone. So in this case, if the buyers are strong, they will be re-entering the market and pushing it towards the upside. If they consider, okay, all the weak buyers has been removed, from here let me continue the trend. Like that, if market decides, upside movement possibility is there. Now you see this is forming a symmetric pattern. You can see from this area this has become resistance, this area this has become a support. So here again, randomly, if people start entering at this breakdown and this breakdown, again from here any reversal is possible, means we will try to look at that as well. Now I'll switch to 1 minute time frame, but before I do that, please mark this trend lines on your chart also for reference purpose. Okay. Now we will see if market is correcting, how much it will correct, and from where maybe if I have to take a bullish trade, where it is going to be a reasonable entry. Continuously bearishness is happening. We'll see if the correction is happening, up to what level it is happening. What is the US market doing right now? US market is kind of uh, Nasdaq is around 0.5%, S&P 500 is 0.6%, something like that. So now I'm thinking, okay, market has given a breakdown here, almost given a breakdown here. Here it might be attracting people on the which side? Put side, right? Random bias has been removed. So at this case, I might consider, okay, let me take a bullish trade, but I will take with less quantity. Why I will take with less quantity, I will tell you. Because here directly, if it had given a breakdown up to this zone, right? So here any reversal if I'd have got, then I would have been little more confident on taking little more quantity. But now, since I don't know exactly from here only will it reverse, or it will move little lower, from here it will reverse. So here for the trade, any reasonable stop loss, maybe I will consider what can be the stop loss. If I'm taking two entries, since I'm bigger stop loss I might have to give, at lower end little more I have to enter. So that is one issue. People who want to wait, you can wait for a bit. Okay. It's not giving a breakdown and later reversal. So little 50-50 chance, like that possibility is there. From here only if it corrects, again it can make a momentum like this. Here maybe another 50 quantity I will enter, so that stop loss without changing. From here if it reverses, maybe a bigger moment I will be able to capture. So like that I will be focusing on the setup. Someone is sending WhatsApp message. I'll reply to those message only post the live stream. Okay. Setup also forming. Uh, Setup is forming. Little we will wait for the setup because US market opening time. So little correction here and later one more reversal when we get. That time little confidently I can focus on the add little more quantity and focus on the bullish side. Okay. Setup is forming. First only we have entered some quantity. Little more quantity, if it corrects little more we will see. Okay. How to inquire about private telegram group? There is one website link in the free no contact info. You can send a WhatsApp message. Okay, in this video description you'll find the WhatsApp number. You send a WhatsApp message to that number, we will see. You can reach out to this number via WhatsApp. Okay, so any doubt that you have, please send a voice note. We will reply to your voice note. Okay, this is the number. Maybe take a screenshot and note it down if you wish to. How to search for private Telegram group. Coupon code is for today only. For me, it is going to complete on 25th. Coupon code will be available, sir. See, someone came and asked me for coupon code recently. Only thing what I told them was, if I'm giving you coupon code, I have to tell coupon code is, I have to give coupon code for everyone. That is why I said Friday you don't enroll. Monday, Tuesday, my team, I'll ask them to give the coupon code. So that is why we gave only for 2 days. Now first thing is, little it should come here, traders. Here only if it is moving, for me confidence will go to 50% to be honest. So that confidence is 50% means little headache. See here also, if it gives a breakdown, comes closer to my stop loss when I plan little more quantity here, during this reversal only, that moment what I want I will get. From here whatever happens, everything is bonus for me. But from this zone only, if it is moving means, so if the market breaks the support resistance, how can we, that one I have explained, right? So if market, as of now I'm thinking, okay, market has broken these levels, it might be to remove all the weak players who's entered at the breakout, who's having fear that I missed out opportunity here. Everyone market trapped, right? Here also it has attracted people. From here only it can reverse, or attracting little more people, from here only it can reverse. So based, is it going to be a false breakout or not, we get to know only later. But what is the sentiment saying? Based on that we will go. Today you see this nifty trade. What did I say? I said this one, right? Who was in the group, you will know. This is the level. Nifty has given this breakdown. I will consider this as fake breakdown because no other stop loss. These buyers might re-enter. As per our expectation, market was holding on, but later gave a very nice move, close to 240, 250 points. So we have to go based on probability, what sentiment market is saying. Later market only will decide and give us. What did I say? Stop loss is small, target is big. Based on probability, if it goes, bigger target we will be able to achieve. Right? That is what I said. What time I mentioned in the group also, you can see. Okay. Fake breakdown, right? Small stop loss. First target was here, but our target went up to this zone only because we were trailing, right? So I'm going to opposite to the trend. So reducing the quantity, this is what I feel, small risk trade. So sometimes that fake breakout calculation, what we do, it will go wrong also. But that time what we will do? Small stop loss we will give 30, 40 points. Like that, see, it is all about in after this moment is happened, this moment is over, anyone can say, okay, sir, this was a correct breakdown. You shouldn't have entered a call trade and all those things. But as per my understanding, my learning, what I have seen, these breakdown, a little more it should have come here. If it comes here, from here, if it is making a move, I would re-enter more quantities here, right? Because I'm confident with the setup, and if it hits my stop loss also, I'm okay because I know for the stop loss what I'm giving. Against that, my target is going to be very big. But in this kind of situation only I get a problem. The support zone everyone knows. It's not creating trigger for sellers, it is creating trigger for buyers to enter. So again, like this, if it comes, little 50% chance will be there. So if that is the concern, based on that I will manage traders. Okay. From here only, if it reverses, problem is market did not give me opportunity to enter the next quantity, right? So adding little more quantity I had to do. Anyways, target as usual, we will see traders. Now first, now for some people, what I would say, if you are safe traders, I've entered only here because little fair, I should not miss out on the opportunity if directly market moves. If it moves lower, one more opportunity I'll be looking for on the buy side. I might add little more quantity. So that is something which I'm waiting for. At the zone when we enter, maybe here we can place stop loss, and from here target can be 1,04,200, maybe up to this zone. I'm saying if you're getting a re-entry opportunity here. Here only near the support level, if you're planning to enter, then stop loss has to be here. You cannot give a bigger stop loss. So that is one concern. Please take that into consideration. Now since I'm not going to change my stop loss levels, my entry is here, stop loss is here, target I'm planning up to this zone. Risk reward seems to be small, but I have different plans. If market corrects when I re-enter, I can manage the risk reward, right? So that is the focus. We will see. Around 57 people watching the live stream who's making use of the content. Please support the channel by liking the video. After liking the video, please come to the comment section and mention your name. I will announce the top 5 names. Audio is low, kindly check. What about others? Leela Vinod Kumar is saying audio is low. Is BTC for selling? I am looking for upside opportunity. Directly, if it continues the up move from here, it is, let's say, like I said, 50% chance. But expectation also is maybe like from this zone only. Little more it can correct, and then if it moves, I would be little more happy. From here only, if it moves, I'll be happy. But I've reduced the quantity. No, that is the problem. Shubha madam, thank you so much for liking the live stream. I'm new to crypto. Any basic your videos there? Yeah, there is basic video. If you want, what I can do is I'll quickly search and share the link with you. After this live stream, I would highly recommend you to go and check that out. All right. Was not taken any trade, maybe you can wait for a while. If it breaks the lower end somewhere close to the stop loss level, any reversal setup if we get, maybe we can try that. Okay. Uh, Today Nifty stop loss hit, sir. Which side you had taken the trade? Which side you had taken the trade today in Nifty? Someone was asking me about basic video, right? I've shared the link here. You guys can go and check it out after this live stream. In that video, I have discussed about uh, all the basic, how to play stop loss, target, what and all things we can focus about. So you can look into that if you're interested. All right. Sham Sundar sir, thank you for liking the live stream. सर आप इंडियन मार्केट में लाइव आते हो या क्या? इंडियन मार्केट में हम लाइव नहीं आएंगे क्योंकि सेबी रूल्स है. हम सिर्फ अपडेट दे सकते हैं. Any indicator, as of now, you see, in more than indicator, let's say I'll switch to 3 minutes time frame. Here market has come to what zone? It has come to our magnet zone. When market is oversold, overbought, it comes to this one magnet zone for fair price value. From here it can reverse. This is EMA levels what I'm using. In detail about this, I've already had a course, and this course I've explained here, okay, with our crypto community group members. This full video you see, this full strategy you see, from the magnet zone, what kind of movement market has done, you can see. So like this, many opportunities you will find. So if you're interested, you can open account with Delta Exchange and get access for free for that strategy, right? Each lines here has its own value. How to make use of it, what is the significance of those values, everything I've explained in that course. So the course students will get to know how to trade with those. So now I'll remove that. Now what was the logic for us to take a bullish trade? The logic is very simple. People who entered here during this move, even in this breakout, if they're holding continuously when market was moving, they have no problem. Or from this zone only, when market corrected also, these people don't have any problem because they're already in decent profit. But who's going to be in problem? People who entered at this breakout, this breakout, this breakout. It has attracted buyers, buyers and buyers here. After attracting these buyers at the breakouts, to hunt their stop loss, market has corrected. Now these buyers expectation is market will not target them. So here also, if it is going to correct, maybe giving a breakdown here, little more sellers, it can give confidence. So from here, if it makes a momentum towards the upside, little more quantity of position I will add, so that if this converts to fake breakdown, then upside momentum I'll be able to capture, right? With that logic only, from that time, little quantity I have added, little more quantity I will wait for some time. Once it is there, I will try. Sir, can we enter now or will wait for retracement? See, retracement, little if we wait, it is okay. See, here also W pattern market gave, it converted to failure. So if it attacks little more sellers here and then give a correction, then it is better. The problem only is about the size of the candle, right? From here only, if you have to give stop loss, it is close to 600 points. For some people, 600 points might be a very big one. In that case, what you have to do, you have to reduce your lot size also. Say exactly from 618 level, market is taking support. From here, if it breaks also, final area from here it can reverse. So that is what I'm thinking. From here only will it reverse, or from this area it will reverse, I don't know. From this zone, it is 50% chance. From this zone it is 70% plus chance. That is why at this zone, when market comes, little more quantity I will add. In this Delta exchange platform, only crypto we can trade. No Forex. Forex is illegal in India. So I don't prefer to trade Forex also. If it come, what comes if it comes to the lower level, little more quantity, yes, I will add. I'm 15 rupees stop loss plan if it is, sir. I'm not understanding what you're saying. If it comes below 70% confirmation, how are you saying? Please explain. I am saying here possibility after this correction is high because at this zone market movement might be just to remove weak buyers who entered at the breakout and later attract people. Looking at this continuation, many people wouldn't have entered bearish trade. What they will think? They will think, okay, I'm going to miss opportunity. They will enter here at this breakdown. They will enter. So if more liquidity is getting created when people are entering, only then stop losses will be created on top, right? Here if it is breaking also, people will enter here. If they enter from here, any reversal setup, something like that, we can try to capture, is my understanding. Now after me taking the entry, market can come hit my stop loss here and then quickly it can reverse. That possibility is there, right? So little more I will wait, because if this setup also, if I make a little loss here before the wick, then a bullish candle, any confirmation here, one more 50 quantity I will add. Okay, little I will wait. And I mean these buyers who's already entered here at this zone, that are made of profit during this upside move. Now this move might be only to trap people at the lower level. From here any reversal setup, maybe I will focus on that, right? So that is how I'm saying 50%, 70% chance like this. Only thing is, if I wait for little lower, little more, I might miss. So this breakdown has happened, okay? This breakdown, if people enter, if market directly goes like this, all of them will make profit. So to remove those people, little market has to move. This everything I'm saying based on how price action, stop loss hunting, as per my understanding how it works. Any reason why I'm placing stop loss here? One is, first, this is the 618 level zone. From here expectation was okay, 50% chances there market will reverse. Since it is 50% chance, only less quantity I have added. And if it corrects, if I have to re-enter after giving breakdown, if market is attracting people, after that if this breakdown is a trap, if market has to reverse, then at least let's say up to this breakdown, this level, below that only little safe zone I consider this. Every quantity if I enter here, risk appetite will increase. So instead of that, some quantity here, some quantity here. So based on that, if the market starts moving upside, we will be able to capture. So now market is kind of showing bullishness. I have placed the order, but still little problem is there. Market did not fall too much, but anyways we will see. If I miss out on this opportunity again, maybe I will not get buying side opportunity. You can see I have added little more quantity here. Now some people will get confused about some people regularly they will do that mistake saying that okay, market is going opposite to my direction, I will add little more, I will average. This is not what we are trying to do. We are trying to plan some trades here. At the initial stage only we are saying less quantity we are going to take here, and now later market will correct here. When if it corrects, then maybe little more quantity I will add. Ideally if market has come to this zone, or let's say it broke off my support level, sometimes wick also can be created up to this zone, and here one strong bullish candle if I get, placing my stop loss here, I will be very much confident for looking for the trade. But here only little bullishness it is showing. We will see. If it takes off the stop loss, I've just reduced the amount of risk which I'm going to take in this trade by entering some quantity here and entering some quantity here, right? Maybe from the zone after attraction, let's say if it's coming down here, 1400 1500 movement possibility is there, so we will see. Only problem is I've taken entry a bit early. What to do? Now see this breakdown, and this breakdown. People have got confidence on the bearish side. Hopefully one strong break above this candle, then simply what will happen is, since we have entered at the lower end some quantity, this will convert to profit quickly. Our loss will reduce. It will become of break even at this zone only, and from here that upside movement what is happening will be able to capture. But if it hits my stop loss, then it is showing bullishness, means even I will get into trouble. That issue is there. Thanks for that. Since charts are based on human psychology, based on your experience over Indian market, is Bitcoin chart also behaving in similar way or different than what we think? Small tweaks we have to make here or there. Okay, that issue we have. After we making small changes, then sometimes, let's say in Indian market, when we take trade, since we have a bit of experience there, success rate there comes, let's say 70%. So little more confidence we will have. Bitcoin little, since it is volatility is there here, let's say 50 to 60%. But that volatility, when we are right, when we give reasonable stop loss, small stop loss to capture bigger movement, in those kind of scenarios what will happen, we'll have that opportunity to capture bigger movement, and that points is going to be around 2000 1500, like that points. See, anyone who's interested on the buy side, okay, here maybe with you can plan your entry and stop loss little below my level also, okay, or you can wait for some time. If it comes here later, any bullishness if it is showing, maybe then also you can plan. In both the situation, right? Here only if you are planning, little small stop loss. If you wait, you might miss opportunity, little lower when it comes. If you plan, again stop loss here. This is going to be a bit safer trade for you. If you are waiting for a bullish candle, then upside move, stop loss will be small. That time you will get at least 1:3, 1:4 risk reward. So see what you want to do. Basically, I have explained all the logic behind why I'm bullish, why I consider these levels as weak breakdown. From here on, solid continuation in the market is what I need. Then the upside continuation is possible. Only problem is for our stop loss levels, what I have kept as trigger stop loss, only little gap is there. So one small spike towards the downside taking my stop loss, if market moves, nothing can be done. That is one issue I have. What is happening in the US market? Nasdaq is kind of, it has come to 0.06%, S&P 500 0.4%, Dow Jones around 0.66%. Kindly mention the stop. Anyone who's taking, let's say, a fresh entry, okay, let's say you're entering here, little below my level, you can place your stop loss, okay, and you can target up to this zone. Easy 1:2.6 risk reward, which is a good one, and around 500 points only you're taking risk. For that you're trying to capture 1300 points. So that's how you can see it. I'm going to enter 1,02,490 here. Okay, your wish. Recently anyone is taking trade also, I have told, right, what are the levels if you're planning where you can re-enter. You might be getting better opportunity than me. US market not so bullish. Kindly mention. Is the price levels visible for you? 1,03,015 is the target. Stop loss is 1,02,046. Sorry, 1,02,460, and entry was here 1,02,960. Sorry, 1 lakh. Yeah, 1,02,960. Hopefully, if market sustains this level, then since we have not entered all the quantity at this zone, we have re-entered certain quantity in this zone. By the time market comes here only, I'll be in cost to cost. From here, extra push, I'll be able to achieve target. Here 1:5 what I have kept, that was based on this setup, but from here one more entry I have taken, right? Based on that, if you see, it will be 1:8 also if it moves up. But that and all who's there in the live stream, you might already get that understanding. It won't be 1:8, it will be 1:5 or something, because you have to average it out. Hopefully traders, we will see. The Delta Exchange website and applications are not syncing. When I do market on website, it is not showing on application, which is annoying. Is it? Markings on the website, when you do, it is not reflecting. What about other brokers? Is it reflecting in those brokers? I know whatever markings that we do here on the mobile app, again we have to make those markings. That issue is there, but maybe that's the feature what TradingView is not given to them or something like that. I can check with them once. XNS works in sync. Okay, so this feature is highly needed. Okay, I'll speak to the team. Sorry, I think mic was off. So what I was saying is, since I entered here, this is the area where I'm placing stop loss, but you can see market is forming M pattern, attracting sellers also. If it takes my stop loss and then move towards the upside, nothing can be done. But if it's attracting sellers here, more liquidation is being created on top, expectation is high. If market hits my stop loss also, after some time, if I'm focusing, until the conviction changes, will be upside move itself, upside to sideways. We'll see. Until the conviction changes, view is not going to change, right? That is what it is. It is not just because I have taken the buy side, I have told. While coming in the live stream only, I have told market can remove some weak buyers here, later it can try to reverse. So based on that logic only, we have planned. It is a pre-planned trade. Only thing is my stop loss enough? Since I've entered here I've kept the stop loss. If I'd entered here, little more below only stop loss I would have kept. US market is falling. Is it? I feel it is in neutral stage only. Nasdaq is at 0.01, no change. Now it is changing to 0.03. If US market is falling, that pressure will be there on crypto market also. But sometimes crypto market does what it wants, right? not too much depending on the US market, because that's more into stock specific, mm, Bitcoin movement and all. Mostly it will be based on the sentiment of people, where Trump is saying, okay, Bitcoin will move towards the upside, we are going to support Bitcoin like this and all. When they say this will support Bitcoin's movement, company and all, let's say Intel, positive results it had given, things like that was there. So all those things, based on the results and all, the market can change, right? High net value companies, uh, if they are falling and things like that, it will have issues in the overall market sentiment. But BTC is kind of little independent from the corporate results. If Tesla is falling, Bitcoin has nothing to do with it. Things like that, you consider that way. Initially, when the market opens little, I'll be focusing on that, because based on that sentiment, many people might trade. But generally, the relationship can be a bit different. Telling about trading mentor. When you are confident on the upside movement, will you try changing the stop loss considering the bullish view, or stick to the plan always, irrespective of the confidence levels? See, yes, little when I have confidence, I will feel like, okay, the stop loss little lower I have to get for a safer zone, because here some more quantity, next lot of quantity I have entered here. For that also little buffer I have, that one I can get it little lower, like that I will think. But what will happen, that becomes a kind of habit for me. Like let's say two times, three times, if I do the same thing, then issues will happen when I'm taking trades in Nifty, Bank Nifty and all. In that I don't do all those things. Once whatever I have decided, I stick to that. In crypto, since it is volatile, what to do? Too much stop loss also little lower I cannot get. I'm just trying to maintain the same. Uh, okay, if I give the stop loss here, next time I will think, okay, little sensibly you be, because here you're saying 50% chances you have. So you have entered some quantity, fine. Here you have reduced. When you think here, if opportunity is going also, forget about it. Here only you are having 70% confidence. No, why don't you enter all the quantity here? That time you place the reasonable stop loss. Why you are doing it here? Like that, I will only keep speaking to myself, and like those changes I can do. If I keep changing the stop loss, then there's no point in me going and revisiting the setup, understanding the logic, because we will do steady right on the weekly basis. After taking all the trades, we will go and see what happened, how it happened, what was the probability of the setup, what we have learned so far, is there any changes required. All those things we'll keep learning. If I do small changes during the live market, that and all I will not remember. Maybe today I will remember, 1 week later I will not remember. So sticking to the rules will be little more helpful for me. But this live stream and all, it will be helpful for documentation purpose. I'm directly looking at the US market in Delta Exchange platform itself. I'm not using TradingView or anything as such. Around 63 people watching the live stream. if you're making use of all the updates, price action concept, psychology concept, what I'm teaching you, if you think it is making sense, you can relate those things, then please support the channel by liking the video. It motivates me to make regular videos like this. Every day we come live stream around 8 o'clock and explain, and we take live trades and explain all the price action stop loss hunting concepts which we have learned. Now let's see round 2. Around who and all has liked the live stream, please come to the comment section and mention your name. We will announce your name. 5 people. We'll see who's the top 5 people. Perfect. Thanks a lot, sir. That is how we need to build our trading psychology. I will always look up to your analysis and reasoning. Thanks for being meant. You're welcome, sir. Mahesh, sir, thank you. Thank you. Udayavel, sir. Thank you. Sabir, thank you, sir. Ilan. Hi, Ilan. Rohit, sir. Very good strategy. Hmm. Jagan, sir. Thank you. Thank you for liking the live stream. Thank you for everyone who's taken that effort of liking the video and supporting the channel. As soon as I asked, you guys did right. Respect for that. Thank you so much. Just joined, sir. Can you explain the logic behind the entry? Okay, no problem. Now, before the market opens itself, my expectation was, let's say market has attracted these buyers here. To remove liquidity, market can correct, attract some put option traders at this zone and this zone, and later it can reverse. But since this is support, everyone will enter. So even if I enter, it will be a bit of problem. But if I don't enter, I will miss out on the opportunity. So 50 quantity entered here, and I said here 50% of market continuation is there. And then if market gives a breakdown, confidence will be around 70%. So little more quantity I entered here. So we have split our entry into 2 parts so that we get fair price entry for our trade. Now this moment was stop loss hunting moment. While hunting the stop loss of buyers, what will happen? Sellers will get also attracted at the breakdowns. When they get attracted at these breakdown, then they will start keeping their stop loss on top. Who entered at this breakdown, looking at the same pattern, all the stop loss is on top. To hunt the stop loss, this breakout can convert to false breakout, and from here market can reverse. So we cannot time the market, so we have divided our entry once at this level and once at this level. So people who asked, okay, can I enter the trade now? For them, I have discussed the entry at this level, placing the stop loss here. As per them, from the time I gave this update, it would be close to 500 points movement, right? So that is the logic. Considering this as fake breakdown, market can move towards the upside. One more reasoning is people who entered at this support, right? They would have already made profit. To target them, chances of market coming down is low. Rather, it can trap people who entered at the breakout, then attract some put option traders and then reverse. So that is the logic, traders. At least 4 to 5 times I've told the logic. Liked your strategy. Okay, thank you, sir. Balaji. Okay, hopefully you have understood the logic. Now the market coming down, can we enter long now? Where is it coming down, traders? It is still under this zone only. Here, if you enter long, where will you keep your stop loss? Will you keep here or here? That is up to you if you want to take that risk of placing stop loss here and targeting up to this level. You can try, but see, it is just holding on to this range, because if the big candle comes here, you will miss out on the opportunity if you don't enter. But I'm saying no, this is not that safe considering compared to here. When I said this is a kind of safe zone, you're already in the profit zone already, right? Around 500 points. So here some people, what they will do, they'll bring off their stop loss to cost, so they might hold. If market moves, they'll make the profit, or else cost to cost they will exit. For me, first it has to come to cost, and from here it has to go. So all right. So try making more videos on learning on Indian market. I have watched all your teaching videos. Okay. Now traders who entered here, right? Already 700 points move. So please, if you want, you can get your stop loss, right? Trail your stop loss, because I don't know if these sellers will re-enter here. So if that is the case, even I have to reduce my stop loss, right? So ideally we will consider this as the bottom of the day. Okay. So from here, if the trend continues, goes up to this level, I would have got it to cost, and then we will see. How many people took this trade? You have already seen around 760, 780 points movement. Only worry is about these sellers, traders, these sellers. If it reaches off here, then continuation okay. The problem is these sellers. Just entered. Okay. Isikimoto sir, you entered the setup. Okay. Make sure you trail your stop loss. I'm saying no, here the sellers are there. If they re-enter again, pressure can come. Either trail your stop loss. If you want, you book your profit also. 700 points is a decent move. Decide what you want to do based on your risk capacity. Okay. If I had entered here, right, the entire quantity waiting for 70% movement, even I would have captured that 700 points. But some quantity here, some quantity here. What to do? Market is like that. Rohit sir, even you entered? Balaji sir, okay. Ahmad sir, even you entered? Okay. So whoever entered about based on this setup would have already seen decent profit. Please see what you want to do. Trail your stop loss. Get off your stop loss to a certain level where it will not affect you. You want to book also, you can book. What's happening in the US market? Someone just have a look and let me know. US market, everything is flat only. Trading between 0% to 0.5%, huh? All positive, but not nothing is more than 1%. Trail SL. Yeah, guys. Trail your SL. These sellers are the pressure. If they put one big candle, stop loss will hit and then move. That is why little I'm thinking. If it goes off here, right, nothing to worry. So trail to cost to cost. Okay. Now traders, I just wanted to ask you guys, just let me know who's watching the live stream. Usually Indian market, I don't look at it after 2 p.m. Okay, because my mindset doesn't work. Basically, most of the price action, stop loss hunting, all these concepts, I try to close that before 2 o'clock. Now after 2 o'clock, I have other business, right? That meeting I can schedule it for later, and from 2 p.m. okay, 4 p.m. if I come crypto live, okay, this will be somewhere around London market time. Later, let's say I come live around 8 p.m. and during US market open, or let's say 7:30. How many people will be interested in two sessions? One is this time, another one is this time. You have to honestly tell me how many people are interested. Sounds good. Both time zone. So London market time also, that time for me about Indian market little I'm skeptical to take any trade, because most of the trade I try to close before that time. After that London market time, if I want to come also, maybe it might be little okay for me is what I'm thinking. Just managing the time and coming. We'll watch only in evening. Okay. Both. Sir, I'm interested in two timings. Okay. 8 p.m. is good. Okay. You mean both? Yeah, both. Around 2 p.m. Again around 8 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. Two sessions. See, those who have entered here, little market is holding on. Too much if it holds on, it's a problem for us. Okay, it has potential of moving towards the upside also. But let's say here you have captured around 700 points. If you're happy with that, maybe you can consider your exit. Okay, if you, because I'm not sure how much quantity you are trading with. If you're happy, or recent time if you made any loss, at least this one profit will be motivating for you, right? Close to 700 points this is. This one, if it is going to convert like this, it is going to be a problem even for my stop loss. Okay, but if it holds on, gives a breakout, then continuation, no problem. So think. If it's manageable for you, it will be great for me. Okay, I have to think about it. Manageable, managing the time and things like that. After managing all the time, and then I come, and if people are uh, not that interested during that time, means it will be difficult for me only, right? So many people will be in office also, they'll be working, things like that, so they might have a bit of problem. Little the sellers are kind of holding on to this level. If this breaks, then good moment. Doesn't want to take too much risk? Already I've told, when market was at this zone, if you want, you exit, right? Has anyone exited when I told? So the private telegram group joining offer, does it start after our current period ends? See, after your current, it will add from the same day, but what you can do is the difference number of days, how much of a days difference is there. Let's say it's going to expire in 5 days. You enroll to the offer now itself, right? Later you come back to us saying that 5 days extra I should have got because I already had an existing plan. I had to make certain, I took a fresh plan. Because of that, it is getting considered. This 5 days I'm not getting. That time we will give you those 5 days access. Okay, you don't worry about that. Team will check in the system from when you started or when you made the new purchase. From then they will give you. Okay, Balaji sir. And one more madam also had asked me the same question, right? Shubha ma'am. So even if you want to make use of the coupon code now, you can do that. Later, how much ever is the difference? You said on 25th. 4 more days. That access you can take later. From backend, we will give you. What's the viewer? If this becomes a zone, that is a problem, traders, right? If this turns out to be a box, it is a problem for us. Hopefully, if it gives the moment that we need, that would be great. Now from this video, maybe a bit of learning what you can get is first entry, less quantity when confidence is okay, just 50%, 50 quantities here. Where you are more confident, remaining quantity all at once. If I had entered already, stop loss I should have taken somewhere here. Risk appetite would have gone. At least now, since I've taken the positions here, remaining quantity, while taking here only I had informed, right? I did not average. That was the main plan only for us. At the beginning stage only I had said, here I'm going to add some. If it breaks, if it holds on to this level, then again 50 quantity. That is why this move what has done is it has covered all the loss what I made here. Now I'm just at cost to cost. People who entered here, already you captured decent move, around 750 points. Who wanted to exit, you could have exited. But all my profits will come since I did not want to miss opportunity like this. By reducing the risk I can plan, right? So if this is the bottom, if this is the upside, market holds, continues, then bigger movement I'll be able to capture, hopefully. Some people what they will do, they without that plan, right? I had the plan earlier, but some people, let's say, okay, from here it will reverse, from here it will reverse, from here it will reverse. They'll keep averaging and going. That time only they get into trouble. If it is as per your plan, you are waiting and taking the positions, then it is even better. You're not able to identify buyer zone, seller zone, means you have to understand the concept of price action and stop loss hunting better. You can download our app. We have complete stop loss hunting course for intraday. If you're interested, you can try. Okay, now whoever is holding close to 1000 points move, whoever exited with 700 points, okay, but who's holding almost near the target, your stop loss should not be here, your stop loss should be here, right? After that, everything what market is giving you continuation is bonus. You want to book means you can also book. Ideally entry was here. Who and all is still holding the trade? Let me know. Still the seller is not proved that he is weak or strong, right? Here also you want to exit, you can exit. After this, doesn't make sense for me to give bigger stop loss for this trade. If he proves he is strong, then why should I give bigger stop loss? Still holding. Okay. See, 1000 points you have got traders. See, if you want to exit, you exit. You want to hold means, see, already if you have trailed off your stop loss, you're holding, fine. It's my duty to tell you. So these are the situations what can happen if this guy starts putting pressure. My stop loss also will get hit, your stop loss also will get hit. Still little confidence we're not getting, because this person can hold the market. If it doesn't hold, what I want the market to go up only. But if he doesn't hold, if he holds off the market, then it is a problem. It's not under my control of what this person is deciding to do. SL trailed. Okay. To a certain extent, Indian market and crypto market has gone as per the price action stop loss hunting view which we had only. But here, oh, this got locked out. Okay. But you can see here, Nifty setup. Right time, right decision. Very good. This one. Their entry was there. Target also was good and all those things. Here we have split our target into two. Right? That is the problem. Or else from this zone when I had planned, already it would have been $100 profit. Cannot time all the time, right? All the time we cannot time the market. About this reversal, can I go short, you're asking? See, if it works out, if market is coming to take my stop loss, yes, you will get around 550 points or something like that. If it's not coming for my stop loss, you will get around 300 points movement, quick movement. Later when it reverse, by then if you're trailing your stop loss, maybe around 200 points you can capture and exit. kind of the seller is putting pressure. Nothing can be done. From stop loss here, I've got it up to this zone. So that's the best stop loss I can give as of now. Let market decide if it wants to move towards the upside. At least here, right? At least here. If it reverses, other people who has taken this particular trade, you have got a better entry, right? Already you would have captured 1000 points. So for you, 2-3 times I've told, if you want to book, you can book. Ensure you trade as per your risk capacity, right? See this breakdown, whoever entered bearish trade, market moved up, right? Removed all of them. Here breakout, it is attracted buyers. So here if it corrects, that is what I'm thinking here. If it corrects again, continue the down move, it will be issue for my setup. That's okay, we will see. Because here if buyers re-enter also, upside move is possible. That is what, like, now it is kind of becoming 50-50%, like that chances situation. Which are the best times? Most time apart from 8 p.m. See, from you can see from 10:30 to 12 o'clock. During this time also, BTC has good opportunities in the market. It doesn't go sideways. When US market is open, these time frames also is a good time frame. So if you want, you can consider that. Sorry. Those are watching the live stream, if you're making use of the content, please support the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. If you wish to join our crypto community group, where regularly we keep sharing updates, we also give strategies for free. If you're interested for all that, you can open account with Delta Exchange. Regularly we keep sharing update, where I had said this is the first buying pressure zone. From here, expectation is market will move towards the upside. That was the area from where you can see this was the zone from where market gave a movement of close to 3000 points. It depends on if you have entered at the buying zone, have you captured 700 points, 1000 points, 2000 points. Depends. So like this regular update we keep sharing in the group whenever I look at the market. So if you're interested to get regular updates, you can join a crypto community group. All you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange, later message to this number, right? My team will guide you and they will tell you what to do next. Now it's kind of becoming 50-50 setup. As long as this level is broken, little 50-50 confidence I will have. So live stream has gone for close to 1 hour 30 minutes already. Stop loss is little lower than this zone only. Hopefully this becomes the final supporting zone. Before that only, if they push also, my setup will be kind of safe. So at the upper zone overbooked, good. You can wait for the next upside movement, because still the sellers are strong or not, we don't know. If this sellers is weak, if market holds on, it will create liquidity on top, again upside move. Okay, with that view we can look for towards the upside. Anyways, in the group I will be, after closing the live stream also, another 1 or 2 hours I'll be looking at the market. Any update I will keep sharing with you guys, so nothing to worry there. One lakh 3,000 also. If market corrects, no traders, again, if it hits my stop loss, I'm saying, if hits my stop loss, later again we might get an opportunity on the buy side somewhere near this zone. All right, so somewhere near this zone later we might get buying opportunity, but hopefully I want market to go up from here only. I want these sellers to become weak, but in case this fails, my stop loss hits, market corrects little lower, this can be the main base for the day. Okay, so if this is the base, if buyers re-enter, you mark these levels on the chart. Somewhere from this zone in the future, I'm saying, if continuously correction is there, sellers pressure is there, market is attracting put option traders here, again a recovery from this zone. From here only, if it recovers, it will be good for me, but I should go by what market is saying. Market is saying from here also 50% chance. If I come down from here, I have 70% chance. So if that is the case, based on that, next setup also we will be looking at. Okay, we have reduced our risk to the maximum, and we are somewhere near cost to cost itself. Hopefully, if it reaches this first target, second target, at least first target, when it reaches, my stop loss will come off somewhere here, right? So then nothing to worry about. I'll just let it run. So like that is how I'm looking at the market right now. What is your view? What do you think? What is the probability of the market? I have told you my view. What do you think is the next probability? What a market creating confidence for put side, so it will move up. Should break this level, traders. If it comes off to this resistance, right? More confidence on the put side and then liquidity. This zone market has to come. Hopefully, within like let's say 15-20 minutes, if it comes off here, then little more confidence on the continuation. Here only if it is correcting and all, then lower high, lower low movement it can do off. I hope you are able to relate. Just because I've taken a buy trade, everything what I say is not related to buy trade, right? I'm saying here sellers are there. These sellers have re-entered. If this is just a correction, no problem. That will be confidence will get when market goes to this zone. Here any resistance, market is correcting means these people proved they are weak. From here correction or upside movement probability is high. By then this first setup target would be achieved. Who exited already? Okay, good for them. I'm saying base current market sentiment. But if this area only market is not able to break, this is going to be a lower high, then market forms a lower low, then my stop loss I have to give. So while looking at these candles only, we will be able to judge, okay, at what level sellers can become strong, what level buyers can become strong, what they have decided to do. Because for so many years we have been looking at this market. So both the side, always looking at it is very important. Okay, where sellers action can come, where buyers action can come. Still not, he is not allowing to break this level. It has to break this one. See, why I'm saying it has to break that one is because, let's say here someone entered, right, at support. Again market is reversing, it's giving confidence to fresh buyers. Again from here if it comes, right, it became a, let's say it gave a breakdown only here, it will give confidence to fresh buyers. Here bearish trade, again bearish trade, here liquidity, then then reversal. Here for buyers, is it giving confidence? Okay, maybe I would have confused people a bit. This is the high, or let's say this is the high, this is the low, this is the lower high, lower low. If this is a lower high, again market when it gives a breakdown, people will enter. That time my stop loss is gone. Later market removed all the weak buyers, random put option people attracted, later it moved. That possibility is there as long as market doesn't break this zone and this zone. The seller has to show that he is weak. Okay, what is, so if he proves that he is weak, only then more confidence will have to trail our stop loss and hold on to the trade. All right, so that is what we have to take into consideration. Have you understood the logic? If market reaches of this level, this means market is no more interested to trap these buyers. It is only decided to trap sellers who are on top, who place a stop loss above. That logic you can consider. That is why I want market to correct from the resistance. Those who entered this setup, you see till now around 800 points. Okay, if you want to book, you book, because market is still under deciding zone. Who's holding, then please hold based on your risk capacity. You can never close this trade in red, because after getting 800 points movement, if you're closing your trade in red, then you need to re-evaluate about your uh, this one, risk management. For me situation is different, right, where I entered certain quantity, where I entered the next round of quantity is completely different. For you at the lower end itself, we have discussed about the setup, so that you take into consideration. Ma'am, if you have not received, no problem. You just send a WhatsApp message to this number. By tomorrow morning market opens, we will uh, give you whatever required access. All right, don't worry about that. See, still it is in deciding zone only. As long as this level breaks, it's still in decision zone itself. If it rejects, it will become head and shoulder. Hopefully, I think you are meaning it this way. Left shoulder, there's the head, and there's the right shoulder, right? But here, this neckline, this left shoulder only broke, right? It would be a better head and shoulder pattern where there's the left shoulder, market went here, there's the head, and here small right shoulder. Here, any bullish setup moment, this length would be a good opportunity. But now there's not a perfect bullish head and shoulder pattern is what I feel. Okay, based on that and all, I have not taken the trade. Shubha ma'am, you have got the clarity, right? Please send a WhatsApp message to the number. By morning, we will sort out any issues that you have. Okay. Take a screenshot if you want of this number. Again, I think it is coming to the 1000 points range. Okay. Now here I will feel disappointed if market corrects so much. I cannot give bigger stop loss. I have to trail. Now from here M pattern, if it is forming, it is correcting, all those things is left to the market. Here if it is creating attraction, then breakout possibility is there. This target also will achieve. This target also will achieve. Now traders, how are you able to relate the things what I'm telling you? Whatever I'm seeing in this live stream, are you making use of it? Is it helping you to a certain extent? Is it helping you to look at the market a bit differently? Because I don't trade exactly as per the trend. I always trade opposite to the trend. I give you all those logic. So those logic, is it making sense to you? What do you think about it? Please let me know. Now this 1000 points, right? So if this 1000 points anyone had taken 100 quantity, how much would I made? 1000 points moment. If you have taken 1000 quantity, it is close to $100. Okay, let's say $7 to $8. Let's say $10 only goes for brokerage, just in case I'm saying. So $90. So this $90 is how much? More than 7,500 rupees, right? So people who have taken 100 quantity, you would have captured, you would have made 5,000 plus today. It's golden nuggets. Yes, sir. So much helpful. Okay. It's golden nuggets 100. Everything went almost in the way that you have anticipated and explained. See, yeah, it has gone. And if it goes against me also, I don't have any ego with the market. Because I know market is supreme. It will decide today it will give me profit or not. Based on that only, proper risk reward we will manage and we will take the trades. Right? Small stop loss here or there we will give. Yesterday that live trading setup, in live what happened, we gave small stop losses, right? Close to I think $80 I lost. But the update what I gave in the group, even in free telegram group, there we captured 240 to 50 points. So everything is covered there. So when we capture, we are going to capture bigger movement traders. Now traders who and all entered along with, I told you about the setup 1:4. Sorry, this is not 1:4, that time it was 1:2. So now who was holding 1200 points move, now it is up to you to decide. The sellers approved that they are weak. Next market can give upside move, so I will keep trailing the stop loss. So this became a risk-free trade for me, right? No risk. Probability of your anticipation is reasonably great. Okay, thank you for the feedback. 8-9 years I'm there in the market traders. If I don't do this also, what? So at least support the channel by liking the video. You have any friends who's interested to learn crypto, share the videos with them. Tell them about the live stream. Okay, who's entered along with me, there's a good opportunity for you to capture. Now here I feel market can see some pressure, right? Near this zone. This zone market can see pressure. So if that is the case, below this candle, okay? Even I am happy if I capture 100, this one. Sorry, I told no, this zone, this is an important zone. Whoever wants to book, you can book or trail your stop loss to maximum. Afterwards, don't tell me that I did not inform you. Even I'm trailing and going traders. I'm almost there. I'll leave it because here I feel it is going to be a make or break. Additional movement if I get, okay. But here if it comes trailing also, I don't, I will not feel bad if it reverses and hits my stop loss also. How many people tell me what is your profit, how much you have captured? Okay, even great. Even great. $1,400 cool. Yeah. Okay. Almost there. Almost there. This target is almost there. As of now, I'm only seeing $155 means definitely you guys would have seen whoever was holding along with me. 2,200 points traders. 2,200 points is not a small thing, right? 1,200 points. Mind boggling. Okay, little more. This level, next target. Okay, this 2000, sorry, 230, 240 points. Great day, kudos. Booked $12. Okay, what about others? Traders who has made good use of the content that we have shared today, support the channel by liking the video. It motivates me to make regular videos, live streams like this. Today you can see I have stayed live for more than 1 hour 45 minutes, right? So setup also was there. I discussed about the entry also. So this is close to 2900 points. Who's just holding along with me. Anyways, we'll see this target will it achieve. $100. Okay. $20. 27 and trailing. Okay. It's coming. Okay. So for me it is around 120 approximately dollars booked. Maybe this breakout has attracted some buyers. Market is correcting a bit, but later it has potential to move. Anyways, decent profit, decent day. Before I close the live stream, if you made use of the content, then please support the channel by liking the video. It motivates me to make regular videos for you. You can see the setup, exactly the bottom of the market we have got, and we have shared the setup, right? So this is how when price action stop loss hunting works, when there is no lot of news based movement, when we give more importance to price action stop loss hunting, good opportunities will be able to capture. I feel traders this has potential of going up to 1,07,000. So that is another 1000 points. We have to be grateful for what market has given today. Every starting move we have got, ending move, we don't know how much it will go. I'm happy with the day. I'm happy with that even you guys have made profits. Who have not taken any trade, at least you have learned something. But here anyone is interested, maybe what you can try is a long position here, right? Small stop loss here, and this is the target. Who's interested, you can try traders. I'm already close to 2 hours live stream done. If you guys want, you can try this. Okay. All right. It was great trading today, right? So hopefully we'll see tomorrow. $25. Okay. Thank you. Go. So grateful for you, sir. You're welcome. Sir. You're welcome, sir. Sir, before you go, please tell me with position sizing with 500 capital, what should be the lot size? With 500 capital, you cannot take trades. If you take, let's say, 10 quantity also, how much you need? Margin around, you're saying 500 capital, right? 500 capital is very less. You can, you can't even take 2 units. Yeah, 2 units. Sorry. Yeah, 1 or 2 units you can take. That is not the capital. Anyone who's entered this trade also, right? Market is moving, right? What you do is get off your stop loss to cost. Okay. Ideally, this area should be the target. From here, if it is continuing also, you can hold on to the trade. So that's about it. So 5,000 if you have capital, then you start with 50 quantity. No need 50 quantity. Start with 10 quantity. This 10 quantity, what you do is multiply it for 10 days. Okay, capital is not important, how much risk you're taking. Let's say you're taking a risk of, let's say, $5 per day. So you think you bring in another 5,000 rupees. Okay, take $5 risk per day, do it for 10 days, it will be $50, right? So $50 is somewhat around 4,500 rupees. So for 10 days, reasonable $5 risk you keep. Based on that, you plan, look at the success, you will get the learning, follow the live stream, follow the regular update. After this thing is done, based on how much confident you are, again you can increase the another 5,000 you can bring into the market. Don't put everything at once. Okay, this market is kind of this small setup. If you have got, okay, stop loss hit, but potential is there moving towards the upside. My setup is done already, no need to worry too much. If my stop loss wouldn't have triggered, definitely I would have waited up to this zone. Anyways, traders, thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. Good night, God bless you, have a good night.